Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Like other shoot, we are here with the a spiritual shoot, that is soul to super soul. This is the religious and spiritual talk. I'm wish to have with you people. Somehow, directly or indirectly, these are the cause of the success, because these topics creates confidence, enhance your value, makes the positive thoughts. And in my previous video, I have talked about IQ, EQ, SQ, and AQ. Intelligent quotient, emotional quotient, social quotient, spiritual quotient, and adversity quotient. Out of the spiritual quotient, this topic is soul to super soul. We don't know that what we are, how we have been structured, how thought process came in my mind, how sites, how our total activities was designed in the abdomen of the mother, and when we came out, then we started certain activities, and those activities were recognized as human activities. Now, Ved, Puran, Gitas, Granth, Mahagranth, according to Hindu and maybe according to other religion also, directly or indirectly talk about soul, आत्मा. हमारे हर एक के अंदर आत्मा है जो हमें गाइड करता है, जो हमें राइट पाथ पे ले जाने के लिए इशारा करता है. और ए सोल, it is said, not seen, but it is said that this is the part of the super soul. And what is the super soul? Super soul is the soul, आत्मा, महान आत्मा, परमात्मा की आत्मा, जो कि हमारे द्वारा माने जाने वाले भगवान के पास है, माने जाने वाले. I am not claiming that I have seen the God, but I can see amongst us few people are there who do the work of the devil, and other more people do the work of the God, angel. How come? So from here itself you segregate that the who are the part of the devil, who are the part of the angel, who believe in the health, humanity, and who believe in the destruction. Maybe these are could be the reason. I am not claiming I have seen the God, Allah, Guruji. I have not seen. I am talking based on the spiritual enrichment, that there is the God, there is the super Shakti, there is the Mahashakti, and those Shaktis, they are guiding whole universe, and to me too, and you too. And based upon person who hear the voice of the Atma, they perform better way, and the person who don't listen the voice of Atma, they do based upon their own experience, and their own thoughts. They ignore that there is somebody, there is not body, the power, superpower, unimaginative power who controls us. Who made the mind? How the mind has been engineered? How we can see we have sight in the eyes. How we can hear, how we can talk, how there is the coordination between teeth and tongue, how the garam khana goes inside, and the same garam khana, सेम गरम रोटी अगर आपको टच हो जाता है तो आप जो आपको सर्व कर रहा है उसके ऊपर आप नाराज़ हो जाते हैं। लेकिन वही गरम खाना, रोटी भी गरम, दाल भी गरम, चावल भी गरम, सब्जी भी गरम, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल गोज इनसाइड एंड यू डोंट क्राई। हु हैज़ मेड दिस काइंड ऑफ द अरेंजमेंट इनसाइड द बॉडी? आप चलते हैं, आपका पूरा वेट एक छोटे से पाँव पे डिपेंड करता है। किसने बनाया? विच इंजीनियरिंग, विच ह्यूमन इंजीनियरिंग मेड द मैन? इट इज ऑलमाइटी। इट इज दैट ताकत, दैट शक्ति which are being discussed on and often, but we are not sure and we have not seen. It is matter of trust. How much we can trust, that much benefit we will get. So, why this topic is chosen? That professional people, when they land into problem, difficulties, then they lose their heart. They go to different friends, philosopher, guide, mentor. Yes, no doubt they get the solution out of their experience. But one friend, philosopher, mentor is your soul. You are not contacting. That soul is always crying and guiding you. जैसे आप चोरी करने जा रहे हैं तो आपके अंदर एक दूसरा श्रीवास्तव है जो कि आपको हमेशा समझाता है कि नहीं भाई, चोरी मत कीजिए, चोरी करना गलत काम है, प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा, आप पकड़े जाएंगे, मारे जाएंगे, कोर्ट कचहरी हो जाएगा, पुलिस में आप जाएंगे, आप एक जो है गंदे इंसान के रूप में देखे जाएंगे। लेकिन हम उन बातों को अनसुनी कर देते हैं। वी इग्नोर दोज टॉक विच इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ आवर आत्मा, सोल, बट वी आर रिलीजियस। वी शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर somewhere somehow religion comes on the way to protect you, and very nicely, very humbly, very politely guides you, mentors you. Sometimes, or most of the times, you listen that friend. Soul is your friend. God has gifted you the परम आत्मा का छोटा सा जो पार्ट है जो कि हर इंसान के अंदर भगवान ने दिया है, वो इसके लिए ही दिया है कि इट विल वर्क लाइक ए टार्च बियरर. इट विल शो यू द टार्च व्हेन यू आर गोइंग इन द डीप डेंस फॉरेस्ट. you have entered into a deep forest. All around there is the darkness, and there is different kind of the creatures and animals, insects. They may damage you immediately, but it like a torch. As some person starts showing you torch, and then you follow the path, proceeds and cross the jungle from this side to that side without any harm. Likewise, this Atma, like a torch bearer, showing you torch always and requests you to take over the other side without any harm. And if you do, you succeed. The story of the big Mahatmas, Sant, Rishi, Muni, Yogi are available in the history. And even as on today, if the persons are having depth attachment with the Super Shakti, they will guide you such a way that you will take over the other part of the other bank of the this world, this universe, and you will submerge with that Shakti, the Shakti which is handling you directly and indirectly. In your place of work, also this guides. When you do some wrong work, it says no, no, don't do it. बट आप अपने हठ के सामने, जिद के सामने उसकी बात को इग्नोर करते हैं, इसके लिए आप प्रॉब्लम में आ जाते हैं. डोंट डू इट. लिसन द वॉइस ऑफ द हार्ट. हार्ट, वॉइस ऑफ द सोल. सोल is connected to the super soul. Super soul is not in this universe. Super soul somewhere in the Shaktis, and that is not fair to talk about those Shaktis because we have not seen. But yes, trusting on our Veds, Purans, Gita, Mahabharata and similar books in other religion, you can trust upon, rely upon. That is a different thing. Out of the spiritual talent, out of the spiritual quotient, I thought to share with you. Though the people knows, but I want more and more people to know that spiritually, if your soul is connected to super soul, you will be guided. Hear the voice, inner voice. You will never land into difficulties. Even if you land into difficulties, that will give you the way out. Thank you very much listening me for such a long time. Thank you.